Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off manually your SoundPeats Air 3. So first of all, you have to grab the left and the right earbud, and we have to locate the multi-function buttons. They are located right here under this SoundPeats logo, and we have to click and hold on these two earbuds together. So let me just do this like that. And you can put one of it close to your ear to hear that power off notification. And as you can see right now, they disappear from the connected devices, and to power them on, just do the same. So click and hold until you hear the power on notification. There we go. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.